Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be another free large food haul. And I got a whole bunch of stuff, guys. I have it delivered. So anyway, all the stuff was free. I didn't pay for nothing. So let's get started, guys. Oh my God, I have so much food, yo. It's just so crazy. Anyway, I got 2 big gallons of milk got for free. My whole stuff is so full all the time. Because me, I'm a prepper. I like to buy a lot of stuff. And I spend like $2,000 a week on food. And it's not for like no family of 8 or nothing like that. It's only 3 of us here. And I also get free stuff. So I get a lot of stuff. And I have more than like probably 20 years or more of food. Oh my goodness. I have so much, it's overwhelming. But anyway, I got 2 gallons free of gallons of milk. And right here I got this huge big thing of chicken. Then I got a gigantic bag again. I have maybe 20 bags left, something like that. I have so much potatoes. I have to use them up quick or they'll go bad. So I'm going to be making a lot of potato salads and different things. So anyway, I got a big bag of potatoes again. Wow. I got maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 things of this yogurt. So I got strawberry banana. I think they're all strawberry banana. So I got a whole bunch of strawberry banana yogurts. And these are all name brand yogurts. So I got all these for free. And my whole refrigerator is filled. Like, it's my stuff is so filled all the time. I can't even put butter in there. Not even a stick of butter. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to put this in there. I got to figure it out. Oh my goodness. I got 2 more things of cheese. These are really good. Even though they're not real cheese, but these do melt. And it tastes just like melted cheddar cheese. So these are pretty good. These are pretty good. So we use these for all kinds of stuff. So I got 2 blocks of cheese right here. Then I got 2 packs for free of these jumbo hot dogs. And this is from Bar S. So I got a bunch of hot dogs. Oh my goodness. I got a big bag of onions. Again, I have so much onions. I got a big bag of chicken again. And this is already, it says it's cooked, even though it looks like it's blood, but it's not. Some kind of like flavored juice or something. It's like marinated chicken or something like that. It's cooked already, so you got to heat them up. Let me put that aside. I got a thing of some round bread here. This one is... I'm not sure what kind of bread this is. I know it's a little hard. I'll try to stay too much away from carbs. Oh, okay. This is Irish soda bread. So this is an Irish soda bread. Okay. I got another big bag of potatoes. Wow, that's a huge bag right there. They're all small. Then I got some red apples. This is the Rome apples. Romy apples. So you put that aside. And then I got another big bag of apples. I think these are the Pink Lady. Something like that. I got more apples. Then I got this huge bag right here. It's gigantic. It's still cold and everything. Wow, it's still cold. This one's a big bag of vanilla yogurt. So that's a big thing of vanilla yogurt. And then I got another big bag, but this is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. So I got sweet potatoes. Then I got this big bag right here. I think I squished it a little bit. These are just some Kaiser rolls, rolls of bread. That'll be good with burgers. I got a big thing right here of cold, fresh blueberries. Make blueberry pancakes, smoothies, and all that good stuff. Yummy, yum, yum. And then I got this for free. I got this big thing of little cute cupcakes. These are mini brownies. Oh, they're mini brownies with frosting. I don't really mess with stuff like this, but they're small, so it's good for like a little baby bite size. But if I don't like it, I usually like give it to other people or my nephews can eat it. I got a big thing right here of some blueberry streusel muffins. So I got those. Ah, it's so heavy, guys. I got this gigantic, real big, huge ham. So this one is spiral sliced ham. Oh, it's sliced. Okay, great. Love ham. Ham is good for all kinds of things. And what else? Oh my God, I have so many bags here, guys. And boxes. I had to take everything out the box. Oh my goodness. All right. I got some fresh salmon right here. You get 2 of the salmon fillets. So this is salmon. Then I got this big bag. It's still frozen and it's cold. Of some large cooked shrimp. So I can make shrimp fried rice, Chinese style. Or shrimp soup, or you could do anything with shrimp. I make like a delicious steak with shrimp cheese sauce on the top. I got 2 gigantic, I think these are 5 pounds. 2 big bags right here of sugar. So my husband can have his coffee and all that good stuff. So I got them sugar. Oh. Sorry guys about all the noise. I'm trying to like open up the bag and the box. Oh, I'm almost done though. I got a box right here of this corn biscuit cereal. It's like a big box of cereal. Got some oranges. A huge bag of these big, gigantic, juicy oranges. Sorry guys, I'm trying to like take everything out. It's too much. I got some grapes. Let me see if I can take it out this bag. Ooh. Got a big thing of baby, what's this? I think these are it's called Ara Sweeties. So these are like a big thing of grapes. Got a bunch of grapes. Grapes are so delicious. I got this little bag of Little Bites. Little baby muffins. Got those. Got a little thing of cookies. These are from Mexico. Got a little thing of juice. I got another little thing of granola. I got this little pouch right here of squeezable applesauce. So that's cool. And then right here, wow. Let me see if I could take it out. I got another big bag of potatoes. What else is in here? Oh my goodness. A huge, I believe this is a melon. It's still cold. So I got a big thing of a melon. I got some cabbage here. Nice hard cabbage. Is this cabbage? Yeah, cabbage. I got a big loaf of French bread. Nice big long bread. Wow. I'm like a billionaire when it comes to food. Guys, I have so much. I buy so much and have so much. It's crazy. All right. Then I got a big can right here. It's heavy of chicken broth. I have like maybe 40 of these left. I have so many in my pantry. And chicken broth is good for anything. Then I got some more egg noodles. You can make chicken noodle soup or whatever. Add some veggies. Got a can right here of some tomato soup. Sorry guys, like everything's a mess. Got some tuna fish from Mexico. I know that's a Mexican brand. I believe it's Mexican, yeah. Got some fruit cocktail in the can. Like fruit. Got some applesauce. I got some more tomato soup. Got some baby carrots. Got some canned chicken. Chicken in a can, of course. Got some more chicken in a can. And that's good for your pantry too. Like if you don't have meat and things like that. Get Spam, get chicken, get ham, get roast beef, get corned beef hash. All that stuff. Salchichas, you can buy all kinds of things. Got some more tuna fish. Make some delicious tuna casserole. I got a thing right here of some SpaghettiOs with beef. And all this stuff was free, guys. All of this stuff was completely free. Got some eggs delivered to me. Another dozen of eggs. Yes, eggs. Got some corn in a can. Got some carrots. I got some spaghetti sauce in a can. And these are really good. I tried them before. Got some green peas. I got some more can of fruit, like pears. A box of spaghetti. And you could tell this one's from Dollar Tree because I buy them. I got a thing of peanut butter again. Wow, look at all this stuff. It's just piling up. Oh my God, I gotta put this stuff away. Got some more rice, and I have like maybe 7,000 pounds of rice so far. I have so much rice. I got different types of rice. Then I got Chinese rice, long grain rice. Oh man, got a lot of stuff. And the last thing is another can of tuna fish. Yep, tuna. So that's it, guys. Yep, that's it. Oh, and I did get a little honey bun. So that's it. That's all I got for free right now for today, Thursday. But anyway, thanks for watching this gigantic, huge free food haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day. Bye.